Hello friend, welcome back. The most tedious problem which we have in our UI automation is this, that whenever there is a UI change happen, all our XPath and selectors starts breaking. Like suppose we are on this page, and for this page we have already written the automation script, something like this we have, or any script or locators page we have, and then suddenly there is a change in the UI. So most of the time it happens that our locators used to break, or like locators selectors used to get changed, and because of that automation script start breaking. And in this situation, most of the time what we do, we start writing the new automation script in place of verifying XPath and all those selectors one by one, because it is pretty much impossible for anyone that people will copy this XPath like one by one. They go back to web page and then open SelectorsHub and then verify one by one whether this is matching or not, and then it is like very difficult to verify all the XPath one by one, because there could be like hundreds of XPath, hundreds of selectors written, and then verifying one by one. It is a very tedious task and nobody wants to do that. So in this situation, how can we verify, like how can we maintain this automation script whenever there is a UI change happen? And we should not be doing it like one by one, just in single shot, or maybe like in a very simple way we should be able to maintain all XPath and selectors. Like suppose we have this script and this is for this particular page, and there is a UI change happen, and we want to verify all XPath, like which all XPath got changed in this script, so that we will just fix those XPath only, and then we are all sorted. So yes, this is possible with the help of SelectorsHub, and we have this XPath healing and selectors healing feature, where you just paste the complete script in SelectorsHub, and then it will verify, it will show all matching count for all the XPath and selectors, that which all XPath is still showing one matching node and which all XPath or selectors got changed, and then it will show 0 for them, 0 matching node, and then you can quickly fix them. So let me show you how. So suppose this is our script here, and you need not to like segregate like XPath, or you just need to copy only XPath and paste that. No, you just copy your entire script like this and go to that page, open that page for on which you want to verify those XPath and selectors. Open SelectorsHub here, and you see here there's a XPath healing feature. So if you expand this, you will see this XPath healing. Click on this, and there is a edit button here. Click on this, and here you paste your complete script. After pasting complete script, whatever command you are using, like let's say you are using this driver.findElement by.xpath, you put it there here in this command box, and we'll show you this as well, like completely. And wherever XPath is written, just replace that XPath with XPath value keyword, like this. That's all you have to do. You don't worry about this. If you hover on this, it will show you that what you need to do, and if you ever stuck there, you have the video tutorial here, so you don't worry about that. This is just one time setup you will have to do according to your framework. You just need to update this command, that's all, nothing else, and then paste the script. Click on submit, and you see here that all XPath are working. Whichever is got changed in this page after UI change, it is showing 0 So we can quickly just fix them. Hardly like 10 15 XPath got changed here, rest all are still working. So we can utilize this automation script in place of writing entire automation script from the scratch. It is better to just update only those XPath which got changed. Isn't it amazing? And just in one go you can verify everything. This is here it is just verifying only XPath. Okay, and it will also work in case of Playwright, Cypress, or any framework you are using. Suppose, because I have showed you with a very simple example, let me show you another example where you might be using a framework like @findBy, page object model, something like this. Let's copy this, and here come back again, paste your entire code here, and just copy this command. And what you have to do in this command, again in place of XPath, wherever your XPath written here, replace that with XPath value keyword and submit. You see that it has fetched all the XPath and showing like one matching node or 0 matching node, So for this framework there are more than hundreds of XPaths, so it is showing all of them matching here. So you can see that this way you can verify your complete script straightforward, like in a very simple and very quickly. So this will save a lot of time, no matter what kind of framework, what kind of like automation script you are using, whether you are working with Java Selenium, Python Selenium, Ruby Selenium, or you are working with Playwright Java, Playwright JavaScript, TypeScript, or anything like Cypress, anything you are working, this will work like a champ. I will show you more example with this. Like let's say this we have seen for the Selenium one. Suppose you want to work with the Cypress one, so here must be having Cypress commands as well. In this page I must be having, for an example, yes, so here you see that we have this Cypress one as well. So let's copy this complete command. Let me just delete this so it will look fresh, and you paste everything here, replace this command with this one, and here you replace this XPath with XPath value keyword. So from that code, wherever is this Cypress command is written, it will fetch all of them and it will show you the result. Similarly for Playwright as well, if you put that code, it will fetch that. Like from this Naveen Automation Labs GitHub repo, I will show you this Playwright page as well. So let's say we take this login page, and here you can see that the XPath are written in this format. Okay, so we'll copy this page code here, and let us go to that login page here. So this is the login page on Naveen Automation Labs. Open SelectorsHub, go to XPath healing, click here and paste this code, and here the command will be like, because this is just XPath is written on the right side, and here it is like different keywords written, so we will just pass this as an XPath value and then click on submit, and here you see that all the XPath has been fetched and it is showing. Okay, so this we are trying to verify on this page. If we will verify on this page, then it will start showing the matching count. So let us just again click on edit. Let me just delete these so that it will show the result properly, and paste, and you see, so here 4 XPath are matching, 1 got changed, so that we will change here, like we can fix that. And it is showing 0 matching node because of obvious reason, this is a logout XPath and right now we haven't logged in, so it is showing 0 matching node. If we will like log in on this page, then it will show 1 matching node for this as well. So this works for Playwright as well. So this is how you can verify like complete script like Selenium script, Cypress, Playwright, or any other framework you are using, that you can like manipulate and verify everything here in one shot whenever there is a UI change. So we have seen this. Now here there is a one little challenge, that this only verifies, like in free version you can verify only XPath because this is XPath healing feature, but in reality you also write the XPath and CSS selectors, ID, lots of selectors you use, like this ID also you use class name, CSS selector, tag name, link text, so there could be anything. So can we verify like all kinds of selectors, not just XPath? Yes, you can do that. You can do that with the Pro version. In the Pro version, it will verify XPath, CSS selectors, locators, any kind of ID, class name, any kind of locator, you will be able to verify. Same thing you have to do, copy this complete code, and there also you have one more facility, that you need not to just like you will not have to set the command manually. You will get the all commands automatically there. Like let's say we go to this page. Here you open SelectorsHub Pro version, and this is the Pro here. You can see that. If we expand this, you will see that Selectors healing feature is here. Click on this and you paste your complete code here. And now suppose our command is something like this, byte.xpath. So here you see that in the command box, if you click, you will see the drop down values here. Select that, click on submit, and it will, you can see that it is verifying everything like XPath, ID, name, and all the things it used to show, like selectors, everything. If any kind of selectors, CSS selector ID, CSS selector, class name, name, tag name, everything it will verify and show you the exact matching count. So this goes even further advanced, which will help you to verify all kinds of selectors just in one go. No matter how big your automation script is, how big your page is, it will be fetch all the matching nodes and show you the correct count, and you can quickly fix the automation script irrespective of whether you are using the Playwright or Cypress, anything you are using. You can simply verify everything. like let's say for an example play right here, and we go to any other page, like let's say relative locator or anything you take, it will be verify everything right there. So this is how you can verify any kind of framework selectors. Like this page, if we take this, like let me just show you this example of playwright with the pro version. So here we copied the complete script, and this has the like all kinds of selectors and locators here. So we go to here, and this is for home page, so we'll go to home page, pro version, selectors healing, and paste the code here, and the selectors are written in this format, private string something. So here you see that you will see something like private string selector is equal to value, click on submit, and you see all the matching counts and everything it is showing here. So this way you can verify all selectors, all possible locators, selectors right in one shot with the help of SelectorsHub Pro version. So Pro version has this selectors healing feature, while free version has the Xpath healing feature. So whichever is convenient, you can use that and save your time. Download link for the SelectorsHub and SelectorsHub Pro here you can find on SelectorsHub website, selectorshub.com. If you want to compare the Pro version and free version features, you can write here, you can compare with them. Like you will find amazing features in the Pro version, but of course like everything is there in free version as well, but yes, that is there. So yeah, I hope you like this feature, and this will definitely save some good amount of time for you guys, and it will help you to not put your automation script, UI automation script in the backlog, because that is the major issue with the UI automation script, that whenever there is a UI change happen, our script used to go in backlog and we start writing the new script from scratch. So you can avoid that. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also check out these awesome informative videos and keep watching more videos on SelectorsHub channel. Thank you.